Before you jump headfirst into the wacky world of wilds, let's review. A wild, or wake-initiated lucid dream, is the second type of lucid dream. In these lucid dreams, the dreamer maintains awareness during the transition from wakefulness into the dream state. This is why they are sometimes referred to as maintained awareness dreams. The dreamer falls asleep consciously and waits for the dream to form around them. The dreamer starts from a wakeful state, the dreamer's body falls asleep, and the dreamer maintains awareness as the dream forms. An anchor of awareness is what the dreamer focuses on to maintain awareness as their body falls asleep. These anchors are what differentiates different wild techniques. Any wild attempt is basically the same, save for the anchor of awareness that the dreamer uses. Some of the most popular anchors include the breath, the body, a visualization, a sound, a mantra, the present moment, and counting. With wilds, timing is everything. A wild should be performed in close proximity to a REM cycle, to minimize the amount of time that the dreamer needs to wait for the dream to form. The goal is to induce a wild in the middle of or directly before a REM period. This requires experimentation and intimate knowledge of your sleep cycle. Any wild attempt should be done in the second half of the night, about 4 to 6 hours or so after sleep onset. If you perform a wild when you first go to sleep, you will have to maintain awareness for an hour or more before a dream begins. The most difficult part about a wake-initiated lucid dream is finding the right balance between mental focus and mental laxity. If you have too much focus, you won't fall asleep. If you are too mentally lax, you will be swept away by your thoughts into a normal, non-lucid dream. It takes a lot of practice and experimentation to find the right balance. There are a lot of fear-based misconceptions when it comes to wilds. Sleep paralysis is a common occurrence amongst some wild practitioners. But as we discussed, sleep paralysis is nothing more than your body paralyzing itself, preparing for sleep. Any seemingly scary experiences are produced solely by your own dreaming mind. Hypnagogic hallucinations are common, but those are also produced by your mind. Sleep paralysis and hypnagogia should be welcomed with open arms because this means a dream is just around the corner. We have learned a lot about wilds in our time together. For the moment, let this information sink in. In the final chapter of this course, we will create an action plan to implement this knowledge into a successful lucid dreaming practice step by step. Do you feel prepared to enter the wacky world of wake-initiated lucid dreams? All you need to do is relax and stay focused. Stay mindful in order to weather the stormy seas of intrusive thoughts. Don't be distracted by the fascinating hypnagogic hallucinations that you will likely encounter. Don't be intimidated though, wilds can be a lot of fun to do. I know you want to jump right in and give these techniques a try, but be patient. It's best to absorb all the teachings and then assemble your lucid dreaming practice. I hope you found my teachings to be enlightening. Please return to the meditation hall at any time if you want to review this material. I will now be taking you to your next instructor. Namaste.